Hi there folks, we're back on another video. So today in this video we're gonna see how to fix your hard disk from taking up too much space, eating too much space even though you haven't used that much space. For example, mine is a 1.81 TB and here 5.73 GB is available. When I click on this, I go for the properties and I must see that I'll be using 1.69 TB. That means that there is some more like 131 TB is still left, right? So sorry, 131 GB is still left. So it must be that there is something missing in this hard disk. That means we'll have to fix it, and it's easy process. I'm gonna tell you how to do that. So alright, we can fix this an easy way. What you need to do, you need to get your control panel. My Cortana is not working, so I will type Windows R, I will type control panel and click on OK. If you go to control panel options, you must see something like yours will be in category. So shift it to large icons and you should see it like this. So here, go to File Explorer options and from here, go to View. From here, scroll down and you should see that Hide Protected Operating System Files. Uncheck it. Yes, you should uncheck it. You don't have to read everything written there. Now, apply. Okay, and now go to your hard disk, go over here, you should see the recycle bin is found here, click it and you should see all of these things. And now you need to Control A, hit delete. So here you can see 114 GB is being saved in my recycle bin, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna delete everything, we don't need anything. There we go. That's our recycle bin. Alright, now let's just come back to our hard disk. As you can see, 120 GB is left now. That's how you clear your space. That's how you find the system files heating up your space. Now you can go back and hide the same thing if you don't want to see this all the way. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Ah, yeah, don't step. This is an introduction. Oi, my